Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore charging speed drops using OCPP network tools, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your OCPP network tools are installed and updated to the latest version. Open the OCPP network tool app on your device. Log in using your administrative credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find all connected charging stations. Identify the charging stations experiencing speed drops. Select the problematic charging station for detailed insights. Access the Performance Analytics section for that station. Review the charging speed statistics for any noticeable drops over time. Check the connectivity status of the charging station. Look for any issues related to network disruptions or communication errors. Evaluate the firmware version of the charging station and ensure it is up to date. If necessary, initiate a firmware update directly from the OCPP network tool interface. Monitor the charging session history for patterns related to speed drops. Analyze peak usage times to determine if congestion is affecting performance. Consider adjusting the load balancing settings if multiple stations are connected to the same circuit. Test the charging station using different vehicles to identify if the issue is vehicle specific. If speed drops persist, access the advanced diagnostics tools within the OCPP network tool. Run a comprehensive health check for the charging station's hardware. Check the power supply connections and ensure they are secure and functioning properly. Review the network configuration settings to ensure optimal performance. If adjustments are made, restart the charging station for them to take effect. Monitor the charging speed after implementing changes to verify improvements. Document any findings and steps taken for future reference. Seek support from your OCPP service provider if issues continue after troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.